Now the moment so we they wait for now don't reach. So the big talk now we enter. So how far is too far for love? Which kind of love you go get for person where people go say, haba, this love is too much for this person. And I've been say this matter now offshoot of waiting happen. Since last week we don't talk of Senator Ekwerenmadu and his wife when carry person go London. Say make the person donate kidney for their picking when all well. And the matter come on to yam pepper scatter. So this scatter where when don't happen so now it make us come reason and say which kind of love you go get for somebody when be your picking, when it go be too much love, or maybe even your partner when it go be too much love, or even for your brother or sister, I'm saying at the same mama and papa born on when it go be too much. Now, three of us, we don't get co-guests, guest co-host, now so we did talk guest co-host today. Fine babe, correct presenter, PG presenter, etc. as well. She they do all manner of things. Now she go the co-host with us today. Her name now Abigail. Go. And now they clap for them or not.
Clap for celebrity now.
Yes, so it's not easy to be celebrity.
You're supposed to throw flowers.
No,
I get dollars after I go spray them.
How you think no?
Off camera.
Off camera.
You say they against the law to spray dollars.
The dollar pass.
Wait, I go choose who I want.
Excuse me, dollarize delegates. Excuse me, me and you 100 me. If you go house, like the last money they give money.
Wait first. You go give the first. Now the first go share, give the last one.
No, go give the last now.
Last one,
who give you this law?
Some kind of thing like that.
Be like say the love now that love thing where we they talk about now. Be like say that love don't need too much.
Good as it start so because you get the kind of love where some people they get for last born. Now only last born they collect everything for house.
Those days.
That is but some pots last born. First
rapper.
Now they wash plates. Okay, maybe we look this matter properly now. How far is too far for love? If your pikin commits crime and you cover her, or they say person thief transformer now, you know say now your pikin thiefer, you go cover her, you go want justice make it be. Say as they look me.
No, what if you make her go thief the transformer now? What the reason? I mean, just saying thief another thing, not be transformer.
If you said the pikin they thief the transformer to sell, to pay your house rent, different things there where if you make pikin go thief or do something. But sometimes I feel so make you check the intentions of waiting person they do before you go say okay, are they condemn this one? Because you got some people who say they will go sell body to just save their mama for hospital. If you reason and where you go see say reason day for that thing where they do. So when they talk about how far you go for love like this, make I tell you, get some people who go tell you say, oh, I will die for you, I can give you my heart, if you die 10:30 I will die 10:40. But all those things I feel say na fabu, because for me naturally love, the way you go feel go, the extent at which you feel go for love. Now when you don't need that situation, you know if you dey for so you know if you dey abstract, they feel say okay, they say make I save this person with my kidney, one side of my kidney. Okay, I must give you my kidney. Even Peter for Bible, what did he tell Jesus? He say before they I go strike nothing. But when time reach, we are in there.
Deny
so I actually feel say this thing when they talk how far you feel go. You know if you answer that question, me and you know if you answer that now till we reach that bus stop.
The thing they say, you see that tweet where Random Mockery when he tweets, that tweet been strong well. He say no blame Ekwerenmadu for waiting then do because you know go know how far away you go for your pikin. You understand? Say you see your pikin they sick. You go any length to see say your pikin they well.
Even
you understand? Even talking on say Reno, we know if he talks in a criminal case yet because they never really finish
that one.
Reno talk something, he follow something. He say he go bend every rule to make sure say he say in pikin
from that
they fine. But he get some things where he no go fit talk for on top Twitter.
Because in the public
because those things feel be illegal. But the thing make I tell you now, some of us they live because of our family. You get some people where be say their life in our family. I mean, family. If not be this family, where do you want to stay for?
People they talk say family is everything.
Everything.
But
you understand?
I still got the crime.
No,
crime.
Yeah.
I still got the opinion say no matter how much you love your family, if this thing they make you go against your principle or go against humanity, me first, humanity before you talk about
humanity,
family.
Yes.
If this particular thing they go against humanity, my dear, every man go die. If he be saying nobody don't know when you go die. If he die today, tomorrow, what if you don't do and finish, you consider because my 50-50 chance.
You know what saying you talk where I like, be say you mark say humanity.
Boundary day.
Boundary day.
Boundary day.
So how far can you go for love?
You get what I want to.
Big question.
You get one. You get a particular woman where be say, I see that video. Ma tell you something. Me, I believe in say make I no go beyond waiting consign law. You understand waiting that they talk about.
You don't go fit bend law.
No, I go bend law. If not to bend law, if I get the opportunity, I go bend law. As long as it dey legal, say make I bend that law, I go bend them. You understand what I
If you bend not illegal again.
No, if you fit bend law,
you go bend the law.
It depends.
And letting the bending go cause. What's the outcome of the bending?
I want to tell you something.
And I know what's happening. Now me be chief justice. You
get one way you get one particular instance where I won't give one instance. You get one woman where be say I see the video for Instagram and I was mad that day. I was very angry. Waiting happen be say the woman, you go see am, you don't dey malnourished with her pikin. Then go thief plantain. Then go thief plantain. She go thief plantain because they hungry. And because she thief that plantain, people come they flog am, they beat am. Now plantain he thief. So if you see the plantain, small plantain because he just one shop.
This thing where you talk
wait to. Gotv don't talk something. So person thief plantain because they want chop.
Yes.
Okay. On a jailbreak. You fit join us for this matter where they talk so. Not be only us who talk this matter. Our phone line is nice to scroll for the screen. So if you send us WhatsApp messages, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, we wait for your comments. We do polls, so we go see which poll matter. Read waiting, all of us talk for the polls. For now, make we enter a break, come back. Okay, so Una don't join us for the matter now. We want hear Mona call us, Mona send us comments, Mona send us texts. We dey wait for Una. I think as Una see last born so, now the thing where she dey here to do with that.
See, I get the
body they catch her.
Body they prepare me.
Make we start with you. So this boundary between law and reasonable thing to do. How you tell reason?
It just be like, for instance, now your pikin go forcefully touchlight person pikin. You call to say, oh, because say you love him, you no go allow law take. No, you don't say family first. Now they ask you a question. You say family first. No, because say family, you feel bend law. So just assuming say you feel bend this law at this point, your pikin forcefully touchlight person.
Okay, we have a caller. Sana, we'll come back to you. Hello, caller. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello. We they hear you.
Go ahead, we they hear you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I want to talk with them on Wazobia TV.
Now we
go ahead.
Now we.
Live show, yeah.
Thank you. Go ahead, we they hear you.
Okay. What exactly are you people talking about? Is it like about humanity or about the child?
Waiting you talk, they talk about everything where concern love. That person where you love, how far you feel go for him?
Okay, where concern love, right?
Yeah, just think of the person where you love the most in this life.
I think from what I'll look into is, no matter how you love that person reach, once it is something where when you do, it will implicate you, put you for that trouble where you can't die, kill or make that person leave. I think there should be an extent to it.
I think there should be an extent to it. Thank you very much for your call. Look, we come back to you.
You understand me?
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Part of the love where would they talk about? If you love your family member or anybody, you go part of your duty and obligation now to put them straight. So if this person do something bad, you love the person. They hand them over or punish them because you hate them. They punish them because you love them and you don't want them to repeat them. And the truth be say, if you dey cover them, the day we go backfire, na inside house you go day.
You know, say you don't talk one about plantain, person when thief plantain. Say let's talk the one about person when they touch, like person they rape people. Make we talk about people when they carry mercenary go write exam for their pickings. Now not be that one.
No.
But the truth be say, me I go always come from the odd side.
Okay.
You see, say this Nigeria where would they? Corruption they pick am for streets. It full everywhere. So even in the exam hall, except you want them to say you know follow do JAM or SSA, even in the exam hall, even when you know they even use omokri, they tell you to pay. As at my time, they go say signing fee is so. So the corruption full. So sometimes your pikin they abused for even the exam hall. If you not give them the omokri, so you they give them.
Not be omokri again.
Na bribe nabi.
No, if that one you miss waiting at the talk. Waiting at the talk, you say somebody is on the line. Hello.
Okay.
What's the one talk? Be say parents they won't be say that they go hire mercenary for their pikin.
To write the
exam made for pass. Not be love be that. Which kind of love be that?
No, that one
make
get
I
us
bring
to
my instance.
Okay.
Then make I bring my example when I did school. Even me to use paper write, they had me normally. But I tell you from personal experience, I don't go inside exam hall where they go say you have to pay certain amount to sign. So even as I did
so if now you be the mama, you go give your pikin that money. Oh, then give you.
My parents go give me.
So
no
you go
sign.
give your own pikin too.
My pikin no go where they go ask for money first of all.
Oh,
my pikin go read book.
Naima won't talk about say
so
you see you be mention something about people where be somebody go touch light person. Now make her they do the work now. You understand? I don't want thief plantain. Now make her they walk my legs off now. I don't want make my pikin touch. Now make her they give them they talk to them. If, from my house, they tell me say me I be disciplinarian because me I not be say beat keep pikin, but I be that kind of person where believe say okay, spare the rod. Spoil the child.
I also
they put in the work now because I know one.
I also hope say why you they put in the
we get somebody for
get
line.
Johnson for line. Hello, Johnson. Johnson,
Hello.
you go kill the volume of your TV for house, so we dey hear ourselves. But Johnson, welcome to Better Talk.
Hello, Johnson.
Hello.
Yeah, off that, turn down that TV, make you for hear us.
Yeah, I can hear you. Good evening.
Good evening. Go ahead, we dey hear you.
This to not talk makes sense very well. I can hear you.
We can hear you too. Johnson from Calabar, just make your point.
Hello.
Johnson, 20 seconds remaining.
Be like say we don't lose.
Make I read the message what I get for WhatsApp here before we move on. This one say me, I feel do anything for my pikin. It dey easy to talk say you no go cast them if he commit the crime. But when the time reach, people go they protect their pikin. See wetin happen for Dowen College. He say them carry the bullies hide and na Lara from Okoko9 send that one. That one is another example.
Yeah.
If you even check the one where even happen for waiting be the other one, Chrisland. No say till today we never see where those boys dey. But now the girl now they drag like small generator. Since today they start to hide and I make I say if your pikin use force touchlight person pikin and you feel bend the law.
You know, say when I talk about bending of law, I feel bend law. I feel bend law to allow my children access to particular things. When I talk about bending of law, I feel bend law. Say okay, now this kind requirements now they need. Okay, make I just bend law. If I get the power, I bend law. Make my pikin for fee get access. Maybe because he no get one of the qualifications. But I no talk about bending law. Say I want protect a criminal. They know they near you.
So your pikin come be the criminal. You
no, my pikin no go be criminal. At the work now, life is not happening.
It happens. I don't see where good parents they breed bad children.
Well,
and
for
the truth
people
be say, if you get pikin, as I still talk am, I go still talk am again. If you get pikin, we do something, you cover am. The day go backfire. Now your head go land. I don't see where children go be cultists, right? When they come, that I come from Rivers State, I'm done it to be precise. Where cultism now like
don't promote
football.
Your community now. We go Oh, you talk the matter where you come.
As I find like this, I'm Donnie's first daughter. You know what? Make her wait. So that kind of
we get
place,
somebody on the line.
Caller. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Callers, are you there?
Good evening.
Good evening. Talk
This
to
your
us.
Energy. Wow.
Hello, good evening.
We dey hear you. Join the matter. You get 50 seconds.
The month already normally. Now, I will first person you say normally. Hello, Naomi.
Go ahead. Just the flow they go.
Normally, I go for normal area for worry. You get. Now, we get this belief say every family gets their own culture, how they do things. Now, to this very thing, I'm more than 30, but fear nothing make me drink or smoke because of the kind of father we born me. You get. Because even if you don't be there, that thing where every day you say your father don't like this thing, he's dead like 3 years ago. But that thing where every day why growing up say this thing is wrong. So most times our family might get this right, so the way you bring up your children, even if you don't be there, they'll do the right things. Whatever is wrong, you tell your children is wrong. You don't support your children because you think that your children will love them, you want them to feel good. No.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Matthew from Anambra, we thank you. You get some fathers then when they disown their children.
Then they
Plenty.
Then plenty.
And so we see say it gets how far some people go figure when they go say that to disown you now we do so.
In trying to actually still find out how far you go to protect or love you or show love to your person. Now there you go know our different abilities and mindsets. You go see say the way I go handle my family matter feel different from you. Now they go know whether me I be person where actually they morally upright or not. Because as I still talk, the day where you go happen, now your head.
Now your head.
Okay, you know what's going to happen. Make we take break. When we come back, we switch to love for partner. When you go reach where you go say, you see this my partner, this my wife, or this my husband. I know go fit.
Are you sure you want to go there?
Make we go there now. No.
Do you want to go there?
Make we enter break.
Me where I don't know.
Make we enter break. Come back. Now welcome back. How far is too far for love? Now say, waiting be that thing we go too much where you not go fit do for love. Before we enter break, I thought we go enter partner on small. Make I just hear waiting everybody want to talk small. Make I start from baby girl. We say everything a baby girl for life. Make I start from you.
You see this partner matter. I hear one story and I pray me no reach my side. These two people they date and the guy been gets organ issues like better than a kidney or so. So the girl come since they compatible, come donate one of her kidney, give the guy. After like 4 years of the relationship, true life story. After 4 years of the relationship, now the guy say, you know, he can't tell you know this way is you go serve your guy food. You can't tell you say the person who go marry you go they very lucky with my food. Brother, we're gonna dig it out. But not be that one. The guy can't tell the girl say he know they do again. Say they know they compatible, but you are
After I don't
you are my kidney.
No, Nadia, why I disagree. When you do something for somebody where you love, no expect make him pay you back. So where is the love? You don't look for somebody to pay you back.
When they collect them, you love them.
You love him.
What did you talk about?
You love him now. What to make you give him?
On our way, make I answer Abigail. So say I give you my kidney for life. I get one kidney remaining. You get two.
You give me because you love me. You love me at the time.
Yes. Mama Osas. Join us for this matter.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Abigail, welcome.
I greet you, Mama Osas.
I know they hear you now, but I believe you and they hear me.
We dey hear you well.
I like them. I still go far for my Peking because I train them well. I don't know will pull her for boxing. I train them so that they will see boxing to run. So any length where they fall enter, I will help them. I will follow them because I love them. And because of them, they live. So I still go extra mile for my children. But I don't feel key person for my children. I don't feel useless person life for my children. But any other thing, I still go on for my children because I love them so much. And what I can do for my children.
Thank you, Mommy
Like say
Thank
time therefore ask my mom, so she no fit kill person. You know fit kill, right? But if you send person go prison for life imprisonment for your pikin.
But she said
not be killed.
She no fit destroy somebody life.
No,
she said she no fit destroy person life, and she no fit kill.
The question will be asked be say how far can you go?
That's true.
For person where you love. Now the matter called the how far?
I don't answer you already. I don't tell you. You get one way be say it happen. You see this story where you just talk now. You get another one where it happen where one guy, one babe talk say she been get belle for somebody. The family no agree. The guy can't travel go abroad.
Ah, that story.
You see that story? The guy can't travel go abroad. Another guy can't see him. Even as he get belle, can't tell her say, babe, no worry, I shall cover your shame. Can't take care of him, he can't born the pikin, even send him go, you know, make he go improve himself and everything. Only for the girl to come they ask on top of platform where they give advice. Say the other guy don't come back now.
After 5 years.
After 5 years. Say he don't come back now.
When you don't take care of the pikin.
He don't take care of her, cover her shame.
You know
to take her to the next level.
We get caller from Benin. Chai, this time when you call so.
Hollas.
Hello.
You there?
Hello.
Hello?
Welcome.
Hello?
We dey hear you.
You dey hear me?
Yes.
I keep from Benin.
Okay. Everybody they say they feel go extra mile, but there's something I want us, every one of us to understand. Say, not because we not go feel go extra mile for our pikin.
Okay.
Not to say we not fit go extra mile for our pikin, but then you need to discipline your child so that you don't go that extra mile for your pikin.
Okay.
Spare the road and spoil the shine.
You feel call you yourself go come be the
victim.
You call use yourself say pay. Because Papa will born me.
Okay.
Me.
All right.
Till I finish my university.
Thank you very much.
Francis
You caution me. I be pure believe with my caution me.
Okay.
So for that reason, I dey caution my children so that they not go let me go that extra mile where my papa not go for me.
Thank you. Francis, bring it on. What we hear from Francis?
Francis, you see they there? Francis, don't go.
Before we enter the matter,
wait.
I want to read WhatsApp message first.
Okay, read that one.
This one say, Pivot from Bariga, and I send this one. He said, love for child from parents is when you provide the need for the child and the best ability that child wants. I don't understand what
What be the need? Because to train pikin, not be just to send them go school and feed them. Other things they morals. The thing, like as I day here now, the thing when my papa trained me, even as I day alone, when I want to do some things, I see the thinker.
Okay. So that's it. You remember the
but you know, say some children get but not head though.
Yes. Make I ask you this question. Say, first scenario, in an emergency, when you know, say somebody need organ donation, which one you go choose? They say make you choose between your partner and your pikin.
Waiting happen now, cause
do that.
Why all of them go need organ at the same time?
I don't understand.
Waiting happen.
Now the same organ.
Answer my question.
Now, how many years we did? First of all, I don't pass menopause.
I need to know because my own question now. Now the same organ. If two of them can't one kidney, they won't leave me kidneyless. No, now the same thing I
don't understand.
I say choose one. Why they do over Sabi like that? Choose one.
Now the truth be say the parents supposed die before the pikin. You know good make pikin die before mama or papa. So my husband can actually survive small. Make I look the pikin because now my future.
So you go choose your pikin.
I choose my child.
Because the way you go choose.
I don't even know. I comment my reserve.
No, you must reserve the comment.
I comment my reserve.
They make you paint the
child.
picture. Just try paint and small.
Which kind of wahala
be that? No, be say go happen to you.
And they ask which kind of wahala be
that?
How husband and pikin go need kidney at the same time?
Make I tell you one story wey happen. And a true to life story be this one. So this person will be former governor. He can't get kidney problem. He can't carry him papa go London. So maybe they comot him papa kidney for him. Now the papa can't hear. He don't already dey London. Johnson.
Hey Johnson.
Hello Johnson. I go finish the story.
Good evening.
Welcome.
Well done.
We greet you.
Thank you.
Make I follow Chukma for this talk.
Oh yeah, chook mouth.
Hello?
Well,
Go ahead.
you chook your mouth.
All those people where they prison so, now people children, All those people where they suffer, now people children. No be say they no get good home training, but last, now law still catch them. No matter how we go train our children, last, the one way no go good. Now only prayer we pick they pray. So the person say I feel do anything for my pikin. Why they know they go prison for their children? So now my own be that too. Now well done.
Thank you,
Johnson.
Thank
Not heard what they talk about with that. Like me now, why they so my mama get only 2 PSC for a year. Me I get coconut head.
You can add extra.
Oh God!
You
know when they say children,
you know
when further. I went further.
Make I finish this story when I've been talked before we get that call from Calabar. So this man carry, now governor, he carry this in Papa go London, say, make them come out in kidney. Papa follow and go London, you don't say, na kidney, they won't come out. Now for there, they can't tell and say, the reason you are here is that we want to remove one kidney.
Hey, Francis, we get call.
We get call from Abuja.
Hey, Francis.
Yeah, good evening.
Welcome.
I did.
Go ahead, we did hear you.
I want to contact the Better Talk studio.
Okay. Go ahead, we did hear.
Why on the phone is okay?
Good evening.
Good evening, we did hear you. Talk to us.
Hello?
Just hear your yarn, we did hear you for year.
The topic you are discussing about children is well, it's just quite rampant in Nigeria, but you can't do anything to avoid corruption in Nigeria.
Thank you, Francis.
Corruption.
I don't know how to take enter corruption now.
Bending the law, then reach that place.
So the kind love where that man gets for him papa, where be say he carry him papa go come
just saying get love.
When he not tell him papa say now your kidney I want go have
just saying I love. Not be love.
So now they talk say that one not be love
at all.
Not be love.
Which kind of love? That one
Wait,
don't be love anyhow.
The papa give her the kidney.
The papa run.
The papa run. The man eventually died. The papa not give him the kidney.
Oh dear.
So the man died.
Okay.
Make we enter post, see waiting people they follow us talk for social media. So
yes, we've been throwing some polls on top of social media.
Okay, if you check and well, first, this one they come from Twitter. And for Twitter, they say, if your pikin commits crime, waiting you go do. 50% say they go cover them up. And then 50% say it go hard do. Then 0% say go report them, 0% say talk say frame another person. And then on top Instagram, we still put on top there. This one say waiting be that one thing where you go feed, where you know feed do for person, where you know feed do for person where you love. And then the 100%, where you know feed do for person where you love, 100% say they no go feed kill person. So if I love you, Beleo, I know feed kill for you. And that one is straight from Instagram. And then we still put another one for there. Say if your pikin commits crime, what do you fit do? And then 70% all say they go report them, and then another 20% say they no go cover them up.
Okay, we not to see and well. Okay, but the thing be, when they be say 50% say it go hard, 50% say they fit do anything. That alone don't tell us
now
how
where corruption from now. Where would they think where the corruption from? Corruption. 100 supposed to be percent.
If to say corruption enter, now when they frame another person. Now for that place,
zero. But why you go cover?
Nobody wants
frame. Why you go cover? There's something
frame.
called crime and
50
punishment.
say he had though. 50
and punishment. Why you they even flog your pikin in the first place when you do wrong? If you love her so much, no flog them now. When they cry, you go they feel pain.
So
and
you agree with spare the rod and spoil the child?
Yes. Why will you cover up? Your pikin no kill person, right? So you know say your pikin no go die. If your pikin commit crime, let him face. If na 6 months he go sit down for prison, let him stay there and learn.
Okay, the thing be say, you get some parents when they tell teachers they may they not beat their pikin. Now one kind of be that. But make we enter a break. When we come back, we continue the matter. Now, better talk with this, so with the yarn this matter, say how far is too far for love? Which kind of love go they too much for you to show person where you go just talk say bam 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 bam, not go fit. Now the matter where with the shook mouth since for almost 1 hour now. Abigail, before we let you go, what's it go be your last word? Because like I said, they hear say corruption will be. What's it be your final word for today? Not be final for the show.
Sorry, Abigail, before you answer that question. Person just a message now on top WhatsApp. It say, when you bend the law for your child, now corruption be that.
So
you corruption.
No, Mona,
make I answer this question.
Allow Abigail talk.
Ma answer this question, then Abigail will get the final talk on top of the show today. See. Yes, they talk about when they talk about bending law. Imagine say my pikin get 250 and I know some he want enter Unilag to go study law and I no get person will be I get person where they and no fit enter.
Talk about kill your pikin.
No, you can't. My pikin no be my pikin criminal.
Your final word.
The truth is for the one I love, I be person where sabi give those acts of service. I can go out of my way. I can go at any length. But the truth be say, I no feel empty myself for the person who I love. No matter how I love you, Rich, I always get reserve. So if I get 10K, you say, I better borrow me 10K. I go look and say, if me I don't get who I go ask. So I can give you 5 or maybe 4. Yes, I can give you 5 or 4. But what I will not do is, I won't empty myself for the person
I love me so that I feel they can't collect
I will
5K.
not empty myself on our way. I will not empty myself for another person. Make we enter waiting the streets our belly today.